Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. For today, we're going to try to hike or to climb the highest peak dito sa Singapore. Saan nga ba yan?
Bukit Timah Reserve.
Yes, it is located in Bukit Timah Reserve Park. Yung highest peak dito sa Singapore is the Bukit Timah Hill. Doon kami pupunta. So,
Malapit lang siya sa bahay.
meron siyang elevation na 163.63 meters above sea level. The Bukit Timah Reserve is about 3.5 kilometers mula sa bahay namin. So, medyo malapit lang. So, we're going to jog, walk, and climb. We are equipped with our Apple Watch. We're going to use the Nike app. Okay, that's it. The NRC. Para i-record yung distance and elevation namin mamaya. So, let's see how accurate this NRC to record yung 163.63 meter elevation kapag nasa summit na kami. Okay, so that's it. We're at the outdoor. Okay, and then we can start it now. So, tara, let's go.
Bye!
Guys, look at that. Along the way, makikita mo yan, no? Napakalaking halaman. Oo.
Malaki pa sa akin.
1.5 kilometer na lang. Tatakbuhin natin. Nandun na tayo sa Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. Okay, let's go. So guys, yan tayo pupunta. Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. So guys, medyo mainit na. Anong oras na?
9:48.
9:48. So guys, so 1 kilometer away na lang kami mula sa Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. Pagis na kami. Let's go! Okay guys, so nasa entrance na kami ng Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. So based sa Nike app namin, naka 2.15 kilometers kami ng takbo mula dun sa bahay namin kanina. So tara, simulan na natin mag-hike. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa loob.
So we are here now. Panik tayo sa summit. Tapos meron ito summit step. Tapos ayan mirror. Tapos ito yung pinaka tuktok.
Sisimula na yung hiking namin.
Napakataas.
Napakataas na 163.63 meter. Katumbas siya ng 53 floors sa building. So, tara, let's go. So guys, dito na yung starting point. Okay, paakyat na kami.
And required magma.
Yan, required mass yan. 1 meter. Bawal ang pets.
Bawal ka.
So, tara, let's go. Pababa na sila. So, ibig sabihin, galing na sila sa summit. Kaya pa?
Hirap pala hike.
Yeah. Parang wala pa tayo sa gitna.
Wala pa. Simula pa, hirap na ako.
Baka nasa gitna na tayo. Merong pahingahan dito. Saan na tayo? Nandito na kami sa Krong Hut. So medyo malayo-layo pa kami. Wala sa Summit Hut. Dito tayo. Okay, let's go. Look, meron. Ang dami nila.
Oh, there's a lot of monkeys. There po. Ito mommy monkey. Family sila. Ayun, may baby oh.
Nice.
No. Try not to stare at them too much. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, we're all masked up, lah. But don't smile at them. Because when they see teeth, it's a sign of aggression.
Same as them. Okay.
So just keep a safe distance and leave them alone, lah.
Okay, understand.
Hello guys. So nandito na kami sa paanan. Okay. So meron ditong summit path. Okay. Ito naman yung summit main road. So ibig sabihin hindi mas matarik yan. So syempre pipiliin namin kung saan yung matarik. So we're going to choose the summit path. Okay, let's go. Come on.
Hindi pala maging mountain climber.
Protected place to. So bawal ng trespassing. Kundi, kulong ka. Okay, malapit na tayo. Okay guys, it's 347 km mula sa bahay namin kanina. So it means malapit namin sa summit based dun sa Google kanina. It's 3.5, so I think nandito na kami. Here we go. Yay! Yay! Let's go.
Last time nakikita.
Ayan siya. So tara, puntahan natin yung highest point. Okay guys, nasa summit hut kami. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Work in progress. Okay guys, so ayan. Okay, nakikita nyo naman 3.51 kilometers. Dito yung nakamark, landmark nung 163.63 na highest point. And then nakasulat din dito yung location, long lot and elevation. Based sa Nike up 171 meters yung elevation gain namin. Na-exceed nyo pa yung highest peak, so it means may konting discrepancy yung app versus dun sa original elevation ng summit. Nakapagod. Nakadisappoint lang wala yung landmark. Biglang work in progress.
Naka-tent pa.
Sayang.
Work in progress na natin.
Hindi talaga yung makapag-picture sa landmark. But then still, it's worth it. Nakit namin yung house. peak ng Singapore. And maswerte lang din because it's near from our house. Just 3.5 kilometers. So, exercise lang siya. Okay guys, so that's it. Nasa baba na ulit kami ng hill kung saan kami umakyat ng stair. So,
Baba na kami.
thank you.
Bye!
Bye. Like and subscribe.
Bye!
Bye.